Alrighty, it's official. Compressor's last pump. Alrighty guys, so if you've been following me on Instagram, you've already seen this up and running. I put the plug in there, I did the wiring for here, got it tied into the actual switch. Everything works and turns on now. It's holding pressure. It's only lost, I think it lost like 5 or 6 pounds of pressure in the first couple hours, and then this is what, a day or two later, and it's still at the same pressure. This is just wherever I stopped it whenever the compressor was on. So now, next up, oh, and you also saw on Instagram that I've already tied in this extension hose to the regulator. So now it's time to put up the lines on the wall. So I got the Maxline kit opened up. This is the 1/2 inch kit. This is the master kit. But basically you got it all laid out here. Comes with a hose, and this box is in the middle there. But it comes with these guys to cut the line. It's the chamfer tool. It comes with the blocks. This is for all your drops. It comes with these guys, so you can put your quick connects. And then the T, 1T. Got a bunch of the straight connectors for the blocks. We got some 90-degree connectors for the blocks or for the lines. And then here's the valves for the bottom of the blocks. And then you got this one oddball connector, straight one, but this is a 1/2 inch. You can see that the thread, let me get this guy. The thread here is a little bit bigger. And that is because, I'm thinking this is the one that goes up to the regulator, because that's a 1/2 inch MPT, whereas everything else is, I don't know if it's an MPT tap or if it's just a regular machine tap for those blocks, but there's a special one for that. And then of course, as you guys saw in my previous video, I got some valves, and these are the connectors for the wall to hold the hose up. And then we got some more T's and oddball bits to make sure we can connect things. So with that being said, let's get set up and we're gonna put some lines up. I'm thinking about just going straight up from here. I'm gonna put one connector here because I think I might someday put a hose reel right here in case I need to go out this door right here. We're gonna run line down here, put a drop or two, actually put a drop maybe here or over here. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna have one up here to run across to the machine where the lines are going down. And then we're gonna go around here and go over to, there's gonna be a drop right there, and then there's gonna be a connection all the way over to that hose reel right there. And then probably over here on the wall, I'm gonna go beyond the garage door. I'm gonna go stop here. There's gonna be a T here to go that way, and then a line to go across to tie in those compressors, and then have a connection over there, and then possibly one over there if I have enough line. So let's get some work done. Alrighty, we're halfway there. Got a drop here, goes around, comes around this corner. I got a drop right here. I still have to add my quick connects. And I got connection here bolted to right where the hose reel is, so I'll just get a little jumper to go back behind it. We'll be good. So that'll come off. This area will be free. And so now, maybe we're a little bit more than halfway, because we have to go now from here, that valve, straight shot over to that wall, and then drop a line, or at least a connector, a point to connect to there, and then run a line this way. I decided not to put a line over here because I got two over here, and I really, with the hose reel, I could stretch it all the way out wherever, or I could just go over here. And this hard line, I was thinking it could be just for the machine or something if I have a little workbench here, if I convert my toolbox to a workbench top, it could be right there. So yeah, let's get going on this and we'll be done in no time. Alrighty, so we are done. We got about 150 psi in the tank. We're riding about, that says 80 back there. You can see we got a quick connect here. We got a line that goes all the way down. Goes around there. Actually, I'll walk it for you guys. So we got a connector here. Quick connect. And then, oh, there's first a T here. So I got the T there, and so that goes off to that side of the shop. And then over here, I got a T. So I can turn this guy off and shut off the rest of that, and shut off that guy and shut off the other side of the shop. And I only have this connector and the connector on the other side of that compressor over there. That'll be attached to the tank. So we got that going on down. The machine, this is the line that goes straight down here. I actually had to take an old air hose I had and cut it to make it a little bit shorter. Still got some excess here. I think it was a 50-foot line I had, so I made 225s. But it's connected there. It goes up and around over there, and so it just keeps on going, and it comes down over here. We got this connector. So I just pressured the whole system. I don't hear any major leaks. I I guess I'll wait a few days or a couple hours to see if it leaks or not. But I got a little jumper right here to connect the hose reel to the line. And so that's this side. And then if I go back over here, we can follow this. This line that goes to the other side of the shop runs down by the light and comes out over here by the compressor. I guess this is more of a storage now. And then it comes over here and then drops down. I have one line on the back side. I wanted to have two on by the door. One, whether or not I have a hose reel that I put up, whether it's over here or over there in case I have the garage door open and I'm working on something outside. Or if I get a second machine in here someday, I don't know if it'll be here or over there, but I wanted to have a line that I connect to. I guess I could also connect to up there. I also have plenty of line too, so if I wanted to change it up a little bit or add, I got plenty of connectors, plenty of line. I can add some extra connections anywhere. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna see how this holds up, and then we'll get back on this guy. We're gonna run some more stuff. I got some more stuff planned, more or less trying to get familiar with the machine, get stuff running. And I'm also still working on toolbox solution. Toolbox workbench, so I can work on stuff, put it here, have my tool racks for those guys, and my tool holders. But I got air done, and that was a major hurdle. Took up a lot of time just to try and hang stuff, trying to get stuff together. But thanks for following along, guys. Next up, let's do some machining. So I'll see you guys next time.